Introduce features interest for VISOTECH battery-powered backpack sprayer, 5.3-gallon battery-powered sprayer with 87 psi high-pressure electric pump. Sprayer gardening tool with 5 nozzle for lawns and gardens. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose VISOTECH battery-powered backpack sprayer. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. 2021 newest version, lightweight, with only 10 pounds of weight. Extra thick large shoulder pads and foam back pad, improves users' spraying comfort. 5.3 gallon/20 liters capacity with 8 amp lithium-ion rechargeable battery, maximum pressure of 87 psi, with 2 meters maximum spraying distance, AC charger included. No pumping required while using with liquids and solution. Our battery allows you to spray for 6 to 8 hours on a single battery charge, 4 hours. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.